Dear students, welcome you to session 22, chapter Mutual Funds, Financial Management, 6th semester BCom, Mangalore University. In the previous session, we have understood the meaning of savings and investments. A person has various investment options like the investment in physical assets as well as the investment in financial assets. So investment in physical assets like the real estate or the motor vehicles or art, etc. do give capital appreciation to the person, whereas the investment in financial assets gives the periodic return as well as capital appreciation to the investor. Usually, it is the investments in shares which gives the highest return. If a person is in a position to take risk, he can invest in the shares of different companies and then he can earn high return. Now, to invest in shares of a company, a person must know about the company, about the industry, about the general economic conditions. So we call it as the economic analysis, industry analysis, and the company analysis. Now, for example, if at all a person had purchased or invested rupees 10,000 in the shares of Infosys in the year 1993 when the initial public offer of the Infosys shares was done, then the value of that investment would have crossed 2 crores by now. So you can see the growth of that particular investment, which is not possible in any other kind of investments. Now, such benefit is available in investing in the equity shares. But investing directly in these equity shares, it may be difficult for a large number of investors. Why? Because they may be ignorant about the company or the owners of the company, the promoters, the various factors which is affecting the business, the market sentiment, the investment environment, etc. So the investors, those who would like to invest in these shares but are not aware of the market or aware of the company, they can invest in mutual funds. That is, can indirectly invest in the shares of the company through the mutual funds. So what are mutual funds? Mutual fund is a financial intermediary that pools the savings of the investors for collective investment in diversified portfolio of the securities. So mutual fund is a trust which accumulates funds from the different investors and then invest these funds in a wide variety of investment opportunities. So mutual fund is a trust. It has got its own professional managers who invest the funds in the securities of various companies, and the return achieved by them is shared among the investors of the mutual funds. So it is actually a financial intermediary which pools the savings of the investors for the collective investment in diversified portfolio of the securities. Actually, it is the most suitable investment for the common man, as it offers an opportunity to invest in diversified, professionally managed securities at a very relatively low cost. Now, when I say the securities which are professionally managed, it means a group of securities. Here the fund manager will find the basket of securities or a portfolio which is able to diversify the risk and generate the return. The funds are invested in a pool of marketable securities reflecting the investment objectives. So in a mutual fund, it actually represents a vehicle for collective investment. That is, when an investor participates in a mutual fund scheme, he becomes a part owner of the investments held under that scheme. So mutual funds are corporations that accepts the money from investors and use these money to buy stocks, long-term bonds and short-term debt instruments which are issued by the business or the government. Now, the definition of mutual funds, the Securities Exchange Board of India, SEBI Mutual Funds Regulation 1996 defines a mutual fund as it's a fund established in the form of a trust to raise the money through the sale of units to the public or a section of the public under one or more schemes for investing in securities, including money market instruments or gold related instruments or real estate assets. So mutual fund is a trust that pools the savings of the investors. The money collected from these investors, it is actually invested in the financial market instruments such as the debentures, the shares or other securities. It's actually a mutual fund is a financial service organization that receives the money from the investors, invests this money and earns the returns on it. And these mutual fund companies, they invest the securities in, it may be in money market instruments or gold related instruments or real estate assets or shares or debentures or anything, and whatever return earned by them will be shared among the investors. So mutual fund is a trust that pools the resources from the investors, and it provides an opportunity to become the unit holder of a mutual fund. It actually serves as a link between the investor and the securities market by mobilizing the savings from the investors and investing them in securities market to generate the return. So this can be represented in a picture, that is the investor. You can see investor gives the money to the fund manager, that is the mutual fund company. The mutual fund invest the amount in various securities. They have a professionally managed team which invests the amount in various securities, and the returns received from these securities are shared among the investors, and for this they charge a fees from the investors. So investors, they give their money to the fund managers, and the fund managers, they invest these in various securities and they earn the return, and the returns are shared among the investors. So this is actually a very suitable investment option for a common man. Actually it gives an opportunity for them to invest in a diversified, professionally managed basket of securities at a relatively low cost. Thank you.